If you ever heard me say rich in culture and nature, you should definitely come check out the library.
Good afternoon. I am Eldies Kokraft.
And Eugene Coker right here.
And we are at the library here in Port Elizabeth, down in Kaplanbeke Avenue. And as you can see behind us, we are enjoying ourselves, just like absorbing as to what's happening, having our books on the shelves, and it's just an awesome experience to be here and just receive and embrace all the history of this library that's been here for years. So we would like to invite each and every one to come and just embrace what is here, to read through and just to absorb all the history, all the art, all the culture, everything that goes with it. Am I right?
Yes, that's right. And then, of course, a lot of us remember this as a childhood place to be at. It was active. You can read aloud, read your books, and take it out, bring it back, and all that stuff. But at the moment, it's right in the back of your memory. You can't remember. I couldn't remember how this place looked like. That's why we came in here and take a look. And a lot of people haven't seen it as well. So this is us showing you how it's looking inside. And it just needs a bit of support coming through. Listen to history, listen to where the city has started off, how the library started off, and you'll be so much interested in everything you're about to read, the stories, the tour, everything, and the events that's about to happen around here. So it needs a lot of support, and it's such a beautiful place to go visit. So it looks like something out of a movie or out of a, I don't know, but you know what? The best is to come experience it and come see it to yourself.
Yeah, we're inviting you guys to come on Sunday morning. They will be having a handover ceremony. So please, we just ask your support to come join the efforts that's been put in through the librarians that has been giving their hard work and putting in just for us to enjoy and experience being a bookworm, because that's who I am. I'm a bookworm. I love books. I love history. So yeah, we are inviting you guys. So please feel free to come Sunday morning. Come enjoy the festivities and grab a book while you're at it.
Yes, and go like the Facebook page.
Yes.
There it will show how do you get in here, how do you visit, because it's apparently open for tourists and so on. But you can never know. Look the Facebook page and look for a date, and you just come, bring your friends, bring your family, and
enjoy the time. Especially like I brought my daughter here today, and so that she can also, because she's also a bookworm, and that's what I instill in my kids, to love books. So this is just an appreciation at this point, so that they can enjoy the fruits of the years, all these years' labours of having books.
Yes, so true. So even though this is a Christian channel, Christian platform, I'm sure there's Bibles to look at, and there's a lot of history and all that stuff to look at. So do not neglect a Bible, because these days everybody goes on the internet, everybody goes searches for things, which is what's helpful. But to look at this,
just to have the book in your hands, to smell the aroma of how old it was or is, basically, and just to embrace, just to hold it. So that's the thing, just to have it in your hand and just to like feel the texture things. So that's some things that we forget about, that we're supposed to appreciate at the end of the day, because we were brought up with books. Books will never go away, because it's something that we can appreciate, and it's memories. We have books as we give books as gifts. We have books that we read. There's books that we keep as well, that we gets handed down to family at the end of the day. So let us come out and appreciate our library here in Port Elizabeth, down in Kaplanbeke Avenue.
One of the big stage here for Queen Victoria.
So that's just from us, guys. Have a blessed day. God bless.
Bless you all. God bless.